Um, I see that we had a probation calendar. What happened with this calendar? Do we know?
You said I gotta take. Hold on.
Do we have, we're gonna have, more Marquita Rhodes, this morning with probation?
Do we know, is that a female or male?
I would assume by the name that it's a female, but
The rules.
Rose. Do we have a booking number we can look?
okay, it is, 20 CR 004852D.
Okay, can
Or, or do you need the probation number?
actually, a booking number would be easiest.
Oh, okay, the booking number is 2522787.
Get that.
Sit down.
About you what?
2522787.
And this is, Your Honor, this is definitely a female.
Oh, okay, thank you.
So she would be most likely at ACDC.
Your Honor, this is actually a reset. I think she was on your calendar last week and they reset it for today. And Your Honor, I will add, she's been in custody now for only a probation violation since December the 19th. Judge Edline requested for her to be added to this calendar because she had been sitting in custody for a while. And also, I was actually going to request for her case to be time served.
Okay,
Judge, there's no way we can do that without her present.
right.
Hey,
So,
I'm sorry, just, I would also like, to take this time that for a probation hearing, for us to do our job, we need to be provided with the original plea sheet so that we know what was agreed to. We need the tolling, warrant that the judges signed. We don't get any of that information. And for us to actually be able to adequately defend against the actual violation, we really need that ahead of time from probation. We always get it in the division, never an issue, but we don't get it here. And we need those sent to us.
And those things, I am the supervisor, Miss Allen. So just to add, Your Honor, typically we don't, we're not on the calendar for probation cases before you all. That's very, very rare. Majority of the times our probation cases go back before the sentencing judges, but I can make sure that our officers prepare all the paperwork that's needed. But again, Your Honor, Miss Marquita, she's been sitting there for a while now, and she doesn't have much. Did she actually, at the time of the warrant, the tolling, she only had 78 days remaining on her case. So she's been in there, for a while.
Judge, I mean, you could close the probation and release her without a violation being found.
so are we able to get her today?
I have no idea, Judge. She said ACDC, we're here. So an ACDC is no longer on the law.
You're available.
Okay. We've been informed that they're gonna grab her and bring her on.
Okay, thank you.
And Judge, I understand that we don't do that many of those cases. But we still need the documentation to adequately represent them.
I understand what you're saying, Mr. White. I do know also that, well, for me, I know that we have a probation revocation calendar today because I get the DV calendar, the regular calendar, and a probation calendar, if it's applicable at the time. Maybe I'm assuming incorrectly, but I assume that everybody gets the same thing that I get. So maybe what I need to do in the future is just confirm at the top of the calendar if there is a probation calendar that you all are aware of that calendar.
And we're usually aware of the calendar, but we don't have any of the information that's supposed to be provided us by in essence, JCS is the state at that point. So they have to provide us with the original signed plea so that we know what the client agreed to and to make sure that that's part of it. And also the judge obviously has to sign a warrant and a tolling affidavit.
Right,
For violation, we need to know.
And Your Honor, all of those things that's needed, only thing that normally, I've been doing this for a while now, so only thing that's normally given to the attorneys is the petition, and that's something I can make sure that's done. But as far as the toll in the water, as far as any of the dispositions, the pleas, that is, he can get that from Odyssey.
Actually, that's always been provided to us, for 20 years or more, basically.
Right, I've been here for 17 of those years, and typically, only
And
time that you would get the
I was,
plea.
I was supposed to please, and even when we used to have a long calendar out here, they do all of the cases in front of Judge Lovett.
No.
We got all of that paperwork.
Right, and so things are a little different now that our cases go back before the sentencing judges now, so it's very rare. But like I said, if that is what you're needing, sir, I can make that happen. That's not an issue at all.
Thank you.
all right, very good. I'm glad that y'all worked it out. I appreciate that. So in the future, we know how to move forward. All right, so we'll wait till we have Ms. Rhodes with us.
And is that our last matter, John?
We do have about 3 or 4 DV bench warrant cases that I need for someone to handle for me. I know that we have Ms. Tucker handling one of them right now, but if someone else can handle some, I'd appreciate it.
Absolutely, Judge. I don't know
Okay.
this courtroom, but if actually, if we can just, whoever's next, we'll pull them up and I will,
Okay, so you've talked to the first one, right, Ms. Tucker? Mr.
Yes, I have.
Alexander?
Yes, Your Honor. And if I could be placed in a breakout with the next person, that'll be fine as well.
Okay, so let's see. If you're here for the DV bench warrant calendar, please come on camera for me. I have Ms. Harvey, Mr. Johnson, and a Ms. Lyons.
Oh, yes, Johnson.
Yes. Mr. Johnson, Martel?
Oh, yeah, Martel.
Okay, yes, good morning, Mr. Johnson. I'm gonna place you into a breakout room with Ms. Tucker, public defender here, so that you can discuss your case with her.
Okay.
All right. And let's go ahead and do that. Ms. Lyons, good morning. Would you like me to just place you into a breakout room, Mr. White?
actually, that should be fine, Judge.
Is that all right?
That works.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So, Ms. Lyons, I'm gonna also place you into a breakout room with courtroom one here to speak with Mr. White.
Yes, sir.
And Ms. Harvey, you're gonna have to find a way to come on camera for me. All right, this is Ms. Rhodes. Okay, we'll be with you, Ms. Rhodes, as soon as we can, as soon as the courtroom one comes back with me. Thank you.
Hello, am I seeing or hear now?
Yes, ma'am, I can see you. We'll have someone speak with you as soon as we can. We'll be with you. Thank you, ma'am. Mr. Jaquarius Davis, are you there? Mr. Davis? Okay. Um, so let me go ahead and take the probation case. Do you need to, Mr. White, do you need to be placed into a breakout room with Ms. Rhodes?
Well, so just to be clear, is it gonna be just a time served offer? Close the case, time served?
Yes,
I can explain that to her. We want to do that one now?
if you would, if you'd like to.
I guess a breakout room very briefly. Shouldn't take more than a couple of seconds.
Okay,
So,
and
that again.
and the court will accept that recommendation, just so you know, Mr. White. So ACDC, we're gonna place you into a breakout room with courtroom 1 here. It's Tucker, are you back with me?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, while they do that, can we go ahead with one of these one of these DV cases?
Yes, we can start with Mr. Alexander.
Okay. You with me, Mr. Soraka?
I am Judge. Status here.
Okay, this is position 1 on the DV bench warrant calendar. Pronounce the last name for me. Is it Ellie?
Ely.
Ely. Good morning, Mr. Ely.
morning.
I take it, Mr. Ely, stand stationary for me, Mr. Ely. I take it, Mr. Soraka, that Mr. Ely missed the court date.
Yes. Trying to figure out why it was a failure to appear for arraignment. That was before Judge Taylor on January 23rd, 2026. There was a change of address filed November 7th, 2025. And the address is there, 876 Slayton Street in Forest Park. I don't see a return to sender notice on file.
And what address was it sent to? Do you know?
I'm not sure what it was sent to, Judge. I don't see the document itself. I did see the change of address from November, though.
Okay, so do we have his correct address now, Ms. Tucker?
Yes, the address that's currently on file is correct. Mr. Ely stated that he did receive the notice in the mail. However, when marking in his calendar, he put the incorrect date, so he actually showed up to court a few days later, which is when it was reset to this calendar. So he did receive notice. However, this is the only court date that he's missed in this matter. So we will be requesting that the bench warrant be set aside. It was just a matter of him having the incorrect date down.
So, Mr. Ely, it's my practice that I will reset or set aside a bench warrant on 1 occasion. You've used that now. So if you miss a court date in the future, it will not be set aside. So you need to make sure that you stay in touch with the court and you keep your court dates ahead of everything else, okay? All right, so I'll set this one aside. You'll get notice of your next hearing date, sir. You're free to go this morning.
All right, I appreciate you.
Yes, sir. While I have you, Ms. Tucker, can I place you into a breakout room with Ms. Harvey?
Yes.
Ms. Harvey, are you still with me there?
Yes, I am.
Okay, come on camera for me. We're gonna place you into a breakout room with Ms. Tucker.
Ms. Tucker, are you able to join the same breakout room that you were just in? No. I'll do it.
Okay. Officer Allen, do you have anything further to add to Ms. Rhodes' matter?
No, Your Honor.
Okay, Mr. White?
Yes, Your Honor.
Hi.
And we will accept the JCS's recommendation.
Okay, Ms. Rhodes, I've already have information on your matter. I'm going to accept the Officer Allen's recommendation in the matter. Time served. Good luck to you, ma'am.
We're ready on Ms. Lyons as well.
Okay, thank you, Officer Allen. Anything further today?
No, Your Honor, that's it.
If
Thank
you'll
you.
get me if you'll get me the, thank you. If you'll get me the paperwork, I'll get it signed and back to you, okay?
Okay, thank you.
So,
Hey, did you call for me earlier? My name is Jaquarius Davis.
yes, Mr. Davis, given that you've been released, you're not on this calendar. You're going to get notice of your next hearing date before the division judge, okay?
Yes, sir.
All right, you're free to go this morning.
Okay.
And who did you speak with? I'm sorry, Mr. White.
Ms. Lyons?
Okay, Ms. Lyons, are you back with me?
Yes, sir.
Come on camera for me, please. Okay, yes, Mr. Sirocco, I take it that Ms. Lyons missed the court date?
Yes, Judge. Fair to appear for arraignment on January 23rd of this year before Judge Taylor. I don't see a return to sender notice on file. I don't see an address change or anything like that. So yeah, I'll be curious to hear what defense has to say here.
Okay, Mr. White.
Judge, actually, her court date was the 23rd. She had it confused. She thought it was the 26th. She went down to the courthouse on the 26th. Of course, it was closed. I mean, we're talking and then immediately, I think she came back on Tuesday to get this set. So within 3 or 4 days, she's out on pretrial, been in contact with a pretrial officer. That's so we're just asking. We are going to have her give you her address. She didn't receive notice in the mail. I think she got her notice pretrial officer. And just got confused. So we want to make sure that we've got the correct address with the court as well. But this is the first time she's missed. It was a plain arraignment, which is the first court date. So.
Okay, so do we or do we not have a correct address? And maybe we can just get it from her so that we make sure that we have it.
That's what I said, Judge. We should have her give us.
Okay. All right, so I just want to make sure, Ms. Strong and Ms. Grace, can you make sure that we have the correct address here when Ms. Lyons gives it to us?
Yes, sir.
Okay, and what the correct address, Ms. Lyons, is?
651 Langston Drive, Southwest Atlanta, Georgia, zip code 30315.
That's what's in the system, Judge.
Okay, so, again, Ms. Lyons, it's my practice that I will give you one opportunity to miss court. If you miss court again, the case will not be set aside. Just so you know that when you have a court date, it's not just you that's going to have to show up. Sometimes police officers are subpoenaed, witnesses are subpoenaed. So when you don't show up, it puts a burden on the court. All right, so I will set it aside this time, but if you miss it again, the warrant won't be set aside next time. All right.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
All right. You have a good day, Ms. Lyons.
You too. Everyone have a great day.
Thank you. So while we're waiting, Ms. Grace, can we go over the calendar?
Yes, sir. I just have a few questions for Mr. Sirocco on position number 21, and that's Ms. Rainford case. For the recommendation, you have 20 hours of community service, but I don't see where the 20 hours of community service is here in either one of the cases. Can you let me know?
Ms. Grace, we're having a difficult time hearing you.
I'm
And
sorry.
I'm not
can you
sure,
hear me
I'm
now?
not sure if Mr. Sirocco got all that.
Yeah, I definitely did not. I'm sorry.
Can you hear me now, Judge?
Speak again.
Can you hear me?
We can hear you, but you're muffled. So
I have a cold. Let me see if Ms. Strong can give me some assistance, Judge. Hold on.
while they're doing that, Ms. Tucker, have you had the opportunity to speak with Ms. Harvey?
Yes, I have.
Ms. Harvey, are you back with me?
Yes, I am.
Okay, Mr. Sirocco, I take it that Ms. Harvey's positions 2 and 3, I take it that she missed a court date?
I would presume, I don't see the order and I don't see it in the events. Presumably she would have FTA'd for the only hearing she would have had on these cases, at least, post bond, that being the arraignment, on January 14th, 2026. I do see a return to sender notice on file that is from December 19th, 2025. The address the notice was sent to is 7814 Bell Tower Lane in Union City.
Okay, and who was that before? Do you know, Mr. Sirocco?
Could you? Oh, that's before Judge Besson, Judge.
Okay.
And that address I just listed is the one I see as that the court has on file for her.
Thank you. Ms. Tucker?
Yes, Your Honor. As stated by Mr. Sirocco, there was a return to sender. The address that's listed, it is mostly correct. However, the zip code is incorrect. It is 7814 Bell Tower Lane in Union City. However, the correct zip code is 30213. And the zip code that's listed on the mail that was returned is incorrect. So that's why she did not receive the notice. I did let her know that we'll update her address, and for future court notices that she receives, she'll be sure to appear to court. She's also been proactive with checking in with pretrial services throughout, and she also didn't receive notice of the hearing dates from them as well.
For clarity, I see as the party correspondence address here, the zip code is 30291, and that's the same one as on the return to sender. What's the correct one?
30213.
Okay, so that definitely needs to be updated.
Yes.
Okay. Ms. Strong, were you able to get that?
I'm sorry, I missed it. I was going through the calendar, Judge. What was what did I miss?
Ms. Harvey's address, the zip code needs to be updated. It appears that everything is correct except for the zip code, which is 30213.
And I can send you the full address in the chat, Ms. Strong.
So it's 7814 Bell Tower. Oh, Union City is 30213? Oh, okay. I'll change it.
All right, very good. Thank you. Ms. Harvey, I will set aside this bench warrant. please keep in touch with the court so that you don't miss another court date. But this one will be set aside. You're free to go this morning. Enjoy the rest of your day, ma'am.
Thank you so much. Have a good one.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Okay, so I guess whenever we're ready to go over the calendar.
Just
Mr. Johnson
one
is
more,
still.
Yeah, one more.
Oh, there's one more?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay. Yes, if you can come on camera for me, Mr. Johnson.
They won't let you.
I don't think I can come on camera.
It says, the host has disabled the camera.
Okay, we'll have, okay,
There
there
we
we
go.
go. All right, very good. So, yes, Mr. Sirocco, I take it that Mr. Johnson missed the court date?
Yes, and that was for plea and arraignment on the 21st of January. This is in Judge Besson's courtroom as well. I do see a return to sender notice for the address of 1957 Myrtle Drive Southwest in Atlanta. His profile, however, has him listed as apartment A1. So I guess we just want to figure out whether that is the correct address and it should have been sent to A1 or if he's moved somewhere else. And let's see.
Miss Tucker?
Yes, as stated, the notice was returned to sender because the address that's on his profile is listed incorrectly on the mail. Sorry, Yana. It left off the apartment A1. He does still reside there. That is the correct address for him. However, the notice was not, the address was not fully listed on the notice.
Okay, so everything is correct except for it did not include A1.
Yes.
Okay. I just want to make sure, Ms. Strong, did you get that? Can we get that updated?
His zip code is incorrect too?
No, his apartment was left off, A1.
It's in here now. 1957 Myrtle Drive Southwest, apartment A1, Atlanta 30311.
Yes, that's correct.
Is
Okay.
that correct? Okay, very good. All right, so Mr. Johnson, we'll set aside this bench warrant on this occasion. Make sure you stay in touch with the court so you don't miss another court date, okay?
Okay, and do I gotta receive it through the mail still?
Yeah. Yes, sir. That's how notices are sent out.
Oh, okay.
Okay, but you can always call down to the court and see if you're on a court calendar.
Okay.
All right. You're free to go this morning. Enjoy the rest of your day, sir.
All right. Thanks so much.
Yes, sir.
All right.
Okay, does that take care of everyone now?
I hope so.
Yes, sir. Can you hear me now, Judge?
Yes, much better. Thank you, Miss Grace.
No problem.
So, Mr. Sirocco, oh, you had a question for Mr. Sirocco before we go over the
Yeah.
calendar.
Oh, yes, on position 21. Let me go back to it. What was it? 21, right? 21 on the recommendation calendar for Mr. Foster. You have a global recommendation. You have 20 hours of community service, but you don't have it on no specific charge. So is it 20 hours of community service?
It's in there. It's just it's on position 23, that being the criminal trespass. It's listed in there.
Okay. Thank you.
No problem.
Okay. I'm ready, Judge. We can start with the add-on calendar.
Okay.
Position 1 and 2, reset jail jury. On the regular state all-purpose calendar, position 1, reset further notice. Position 2, plea. Position 3 was a plea. Position 4 and 5, state want to request. What's the date?
10th, I would assume.
Yes, sir.
Position 6, reset further notice. Position 7, reset further notice. Position 8 and 9, reset jail jury. Position 10 was a plea. Position 11 was non-pros. Position 12, reset jail jury. Position 13, 14, reset jail jury, along with position 15, jail jury. Position 16, reset further notice. Position 17 was a plea. Position 18, 19, and 20, reset further notice. Position 21, 22, 23 were all pleas. Position 24 was a plea. Position 25, reset jail jury. Position 26 was a plea. Position 27 was a plea. Position 28 was non-pros. Position 29 was a plea. Position 30 was non-pros. Position 31 was a plea. Position 32 was non-pros. Position 33, DA, oh, see,
Yeah,
it's not
okay.
on mine.
They got
Okay.
1 week.
So what we doing with it?
210.
Sorry, Jen. 210,
Mhm.
reset next week.
That was
There-
position 33.
Yes. Position 34 was a plea. Position 35, reset 217 SAP. Position 36 was a plea. Position 37 was a plea. Position 38 was non-pros. Position 39 was a plea. Position 40 was a plea. Position 41 was non-pros. Position 42 was a plea. 43 was a plea. 44 reset jail jury. 45 reset jail jury. 46 was a plea. 47 was a plea. 48 was a plea. 49 non-pros. 50 was a plea. 51 was a plea. 52 non-pros.
51 was, oh, yeah. It was,
53 reset jail jury. 54 reset 217 SAP. 55 reset 217 SAP. 56 was a plea. 57 was non-pros, and 58 was a plea. Any concerns, questions? In all cases on the calendar was reset further notice.
You said 55 was reset?
55. Yes, okay.
Yeah. Oh, reset 217. And could you go through 3 through 4 for me, just 3 through 5 for me real quick?
On the regular calendar,
Yes, ma'am.
position 3 was a plea,
Please, okay.
and position 4 and 5 is reset to 210 SAP.
Gotcha. Thank you.
Ms. Tucker, did you catch my chat?
No, I'll check it now. Let me see.
I will get those null process over to the court ASAP.
Please do.
Yep.
Thank you.
No, I don't have a chat.
Oh, I just, on the Lions, one of the bench warrant that I did, I was just asking if you could file that. I don't have one of those here.
Okay, that's fine.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
All right, anything further this morning? If not,
That's it, Judge.
thank you all. We will see you next Tuesday. Y'all have a good
Bye,
week.
everyone. Thank you.
Thank you.